Hi, welcome back to the One Trade. This is the one. This channel is for my personal day trade recap and reflection. So it's not only recording my trading operations in real time, but also my mental status and psychology situation. So today is December 26th, 9:12 a.m. PST. It looks like it's very volatility sideways. Essentially, it's a sideways market this morning. And overall, this is a triangle and a little bit liquidity to the downside. So after that, it goes back. It goes back. So I'm not sure if this is a trade character. No, because it gets resisted by it gets rejected by the previous support. Not obviously something, but anyway, from ES is a lot of say pattern, very long, very dangerous line like this. So if you're gonna trade in the first 5 minutes, you're gonna get checked. something. This is very dangerous, and so this is sideways, and sideways. But we can see ES has break down this support going down. While hmm, while for this one, NQ is like going up, but ES is like double top. This is Archem and equally strong momentum to the downside. And here, this is a resistance, but yes, cannot get back to so much, keeps going down. So this one is like a lot of people want to just go short, but it's very dangerous. This is verified. So let's see, 15 minutes. Oh, for 15 minutes, yeah, this is a breakout. And then previous resistance becomes the new support. So which is here. So we can draw the trend line, something. Yeah, this trend line just covers the most peak. And this is like liquidity sweep, and this is like liquidity sweep, and it's okay. You don't cover that. But it looks like it already have some breakout trade of character, or it's like a retest this support, get back, and now it just retest again. We would like to see it retest and show a downward engulfing candle somewhere around here. Let's see. Yeah, it shows some support. Support is effective. Um, Buyer defense step in. What about 15 minutes? Again, just sideways and breakout. Sideways, double top, and go, and proceed. I mean, surpass this neckline. So it looks like from ES, this is like double top and going down to here. 945, 954. Oh, we'll see this trend line. Oh, not easy to draw a trend line, huh? And what about the underneath from the very beginning to this rejection. So it's aggregating. It's aggregating somewhere here. So probably you will bounce back somewhere. And after it arrives here, then you decide, okay, where to go. But anyway, even it shows some downtrend, this should be treated as a sideways consolidation. And it gets rejected. It gets defended by the previous support, even for this one. So we'll wait. If it breaks out, then just let it break out. To go short here is very dangerous because all this area are previous are support level. So when can we go long? I mean, at here, if some like outward engulfing candle shows up somewhere here, then we can go low. When can we go short? Yeah, obviously, break this trend line, for example, to the next support level here, at 800, and bounce back somewhere, and between here and here, this is the 856 to 800. Then it shows a downward engulfing candle. Then we can go short. Okay, that's the plan for today. Uh, if I regret I get out late and miss all this trend, no. This is very dangerous to trade. The first candle. And this is very easy to trade. A lot of people say, hey, it goes up for 10 minutes and exceeds the previous high. And for years, it's so obvious, then goes up. And even you retest, you should retest to here. So probably I will set a limit long order here or here. Then I get trapped because this is a reversal. Reversal. So you're gonna trigger whatever stop loss I set as long as there's a stop loss. And you want to go short with something like this. This sideways market is the most dangerous. And the thing is, the reverse comes so big. As I say, okay, I want to see something like this. The last candle shows a very small momentum upward to one direction, and the reverse direction is like just engulf this candle. Okay, then I can go short from somewhere here. But the next candle is something like this. Okay, it's almost the range. It is almost the range. Then I cannot go. I mean, even I understand this is trend reversal, I should go short, but if I go short, this is the risk and this is the reward. What now? So I cannot go, I cannot trade. And this is the first candle, doesn't mean anything, but it has a strong temptation. And this one, yeah, this is too big. So the stop loss distance is too big. And even I think, okay, this is not a test. This is potentially a reverse. Then I cannot go short, or maybe I need to reduce the size, something. Let's see. Yes. Oh yes. But for NQ is like a star. For ES, it's a meaningful like get back. Let's see how much is this. A74. What's that? A52. A50. Okay. The rate is not big. It's not worth trading. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. But this area is the support. It's a support level. So it's better we look for signals to go long. But don't get into a trade too hurry. You need to see a couple more candles to make things more clarified. Even we miss the trade, because we see at the very beginning it's like one candle just reverse. There's no sideway, but the second candle, the say is like one big candle goes down and don't allow me to get into a trade. Something like this. All of this is not tradable for me. But here it shows some sideways, starting to show some sideways, which is good. Keeps going down and looks like gonna break. But it has not created a lower low. So you can just wait. And I should mark, okay, I should mark this area. This is the support area for ES and it has been surpassed. So it has been breakout. ES has breakout this distance. Now we just need to wait. It retest to here, somewhere around here, and then goes down, then we can go short. But NQ is not that obvious. NQ actually just got into the support level. So that happens. Like NQ step into the support level, it bounce back, and yes, even something like this, it bounce back. And it behaves like this is like a liquidity sweep. Immediately bounce back. A little bit ES and NQ divergence, but not that much. You can see NQ is trying to go up, while ES is trying to go down. Oh, and this is the resistance level. This is the support level. Let's see. Okay, not sure if this is the retest. Let's see where you're gonna have a downward engulfing candle, downward. But if it just gets back to this directly here, then this is not tradable for me. Because it looks like this is like a retest, at least for now. And I mean for okay, for ES, it looks like it has break trend line. So let me make the trend line more generous. It has break trend line, but for NQ, it looks like it's still in a range. So should I go long for NQ? Oh, let me see. Where's the lower bound? This is the first candle. Oh, trend line. Both shows up downward momentum decreasing. Let's see. Wow, this is too big. Okay, this is too big. Not tradable. Probably I should trade after this engulfing, upward engulfing, but this just engulfing this one. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, maybe I should trade. I should go the long position here. But it's not that obvious. And this leaves a big FVG, this long candle. What's going on? And it triggers this trend line. So I'm not gonna go long. Not there to go long. What about this one? Adjust the trend line a little bit and retest to ENA 21. It retest to ENA 21 and we'll see how it reacts. This shows some pattern. That is sideways like flag consolidation. Suddenly, suddenly one candle is all the rage and it's not tradable for me. Hmm. Oh, oh. Oh, it's a pass ENA 21. This momentum is so strong. So we will probably need to see the next candle. Next candle defines the lower bound of the retest. Let's see. Higher, higher. So there's no RSI divergence, at least in 5 minutes. No RSI divergence. No RSI divergence. And we cannot use that. Higher, higher, lower something. Oh, there could there could be some RSI divergence, some here, somewhere here. Oh, it leaves a huge like FVG here. What's going on? Okay, it's past the trend line. I'll see the next candle. Hmm. That feels like dong 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 keeps sideways. I'm not sure because this one is too strong. So maybe I can buy at this bottom. I'm not sure if I can get on board. Well, this is not even the first mini. This is the ENA line. Yeah, actually, let me adjust to ENA line. ENA line, you will retest to ENA line, right? You will always retest to ENA line. Let's see. Okay, get me on board. Then go. Retest to ENA line for ES. Yes, that's the plan. And retest to trend line. This is the support level. Retest to this support. Go up. Or maybe continue consolidation. So need some consolidation here. This is very intimidating because I'm not sure where should I set a stop loss. Here, something. Maybe I will set a rescue order or limit order here. So because this is the order block and this is FVG, so huge. So any retest to FVG is reasonable. It should be treated as a retest rather than a reverse. And this FVG is too big. So I just set at the ENA line. I trust the ENA line. But ES wants to retest. Still has some intention to go down. The ENA line shows this is a sideways market going up, going down, going up, something. But when the ENA line cross, when the ENA 9 cross ENA 21, that probably means the trend is almost done. So I will probably quit the trade when the ENA 9 cross ENA 21. During this like trend. Oh, what's wrong with ES? Okay, point 0.6. This is like a point. Here is the point 0.6 for from here to here. Oh, point 0.6 is actually here. We'll see. It looks like this is like huge retest, but ES has already covered like point 0.6 of the most recent upward candle, while NQ just less than half. So we'll see. Okay, let's see this candle. If it keeps going down, then probably I need to quit. Okay, if it keeps going up, that means this is a retest. ENA 9 defense. Oh, keeps going down. Keeps going down. That's not good. In that way, I probably need to set out a rescue order to get out of the trade with micro profit in this sideways market. Let's see here. Yes, that's not look good. Maybe retest to order block. Even here, it should be retest to, it should be treated as a retest. That's why I don't like the long candle. Oh God. Hmm. Let's see when ES reaches the, okay, reaches the order block and shows a rejection. Let's see. Yes, yes, will probably like retest to here or the lower bound of this trend. So this is like liquidity. I get into the trade. I get trapped by this huge momentum here. So I can set out the limit order here. And drag the average price to the middle so that when it has some profit, I just quit. Because I understand it continues sideways. God damn. Hmm. It should arrive here. Come on. And my stop loss will be a little bit about underneath here. So if it close underneath this line, then I will quit. Oh, get rejected here. That means probably this is where the defense step in. So it's a retest. So maybe I saw it gonna retest to the trend line, so I just set it here, and which is across with ENA 21. But essentially, I put the limit order too early, or I do not think this is a sudden reverse something. So maybe I should follow the theory and put it at the order block, or maybe it's more standard for ES. So maybe I should trade ES, put a limit order at the order block. But it's concluding. It might be concluded too early. We need to see this candle. We need to see a bullish candle reverse the Dow trend to conclude that this is the reverse. This is the support layer. Now it keeps going down. The Dow trend has not ended. So our rescue order is still effective. Waiting. This order is waiting to be rescued. First minute. Let's see. Some sideway here. Oh, oops. It looks like if this bullish candle can engulf the previous one, that means the retest is ending here. Oh, so it just retest to order block. Very close to order block. For yes, it's close. Is in order block. Oh no, for yes, it continue to go down. What's going on? Okay, continue down. Yes, wants to go down. 3 more minutes. Mhm. Oh, engulf. NQ just engulf. Gets rejected. But gets rejected. Oh Lord. Looks like this is a sideway here. It looks like a downtrend. It's more like from a bigger time frame, it's more like sideway consolidation, like flag pattern. And overall is uptrend. So let's see if ES will arrive here, then NQ will probably arrive somewhere here. Mm-hmm. So I should say my rescue order here, but the rescue order should be as conservative as possible and it trigger here and retest so that we can drag this average price as much as possible. But I need to make sure I get on ball before it retests. That's how I set this rescue order. Okay, stop. Not sure where to go. And it shows a triangle sideways. Stop. Stop. Bias is trying to step in. And this happens around this trend line, the upper bar of the trend line. Bias is trying to break the trend line again. So in that case, maybe I can put a limit order somewhere here. No, stick to the rule because this sideway, even if it happens at the upper bound of this triangle, then there are possibility that it keeps go down, keep sideways, or like break directly to the downside. So this rescue order is still valid. I mean, if we break to the down upside, I'm okay with only 5 micro contract. It's just that when things are not going as I expected, then I should have some plan B. Mm-hmm. Stop gradually decrease and become start green. This one, if we can get engulfing, then this is a reversal pattern. If it close, 3 more minutes, we'll see. Dong. Let's see 3 minutes. See if you can get more insights. Oh, what's okay for 3 minutes? You can see this is sideways and gonna break out again. So you'll see three. Maybe we can set a three something here. Oh, it break out. This is a retest to be validated. See this candle? What about yes, okay, engulf this one. So it's a reverse. Confirm. Oh, this reverse back. So let's see. We set A3 here and change this to A. A little bit big. I hope none of this get triggered, actually. Retest to trend line and get rejected. Okay, that's a good sign. 2 more minutes. Oh, wait. You break and close above this sideways range. And you can retest. Don't fool me like this. And say you get rejected by ENA 21. ENA, yeah, this is ENA 21. Get rejected. Don't fool me. From 3 minutes is this ENA line is already defense on the downside. See, it's defending and push things going up. Okay, retest back to the sideways range. That's reasonable. Okay, one more 5 minute candle. As long as this does not back, this is already a reverse pattern. As long as does not go back, keeps going up, then you should break. It should break the previous high. We'll see this candle 5 minute. Mm. Oops. It looks like it does not look right. It does not look right. Okay, continues to go down. Okay, sideways at the upper bound and break to the downside. Before that, it disguised itself like break to the upside and try to fool somebody. And even adding increased position at the long term. So now I just expecting I can rescue this failing trade and hope that it will continue the sideways once more with this limit order. What's that? Is it liquidity sweep and gonna break to down to the up? But the ENA line shows some consolidation, stretch, and consolidation, stretch. So you're gonna stretch again. It's what I perceive. Hmm. Hmm. It's already closed. Beneath this sideways range, but it shows that it gets rejected for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it shows it gets rejected by trend line. For 5 minutes, it's still like sideways around trend line. But for NQ, it's in the range. God, what do you want? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Seems like it's trying to trap somebody. I mean, I will easily think, okay, this means a downtrend. I will probably like go short, and especially go short at the upper bound. That makes me feel safe. But I get rejected here. It's sideways around here, around this line. From time to time, we see a strong rejection, and the downward momentum keeps decreasing, and strong rejection, something. And on ES 5 minute, okay, one more minute, we see this long rejection line. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Then this becomes a liquidity speed. Liquidity speed. I like this downward liquidity speed. That means the big player want to go up. See, it close above the trend line and keeps rise and keeps going up. Okay, we'll see. And then after like two, three couple more candles going up, then yeah, this is very intimidating. But this line is proven, is a proven support level. Unless my rescue order gets triggered, then I will get into the survival mode. That means as long as something like this, 68 cents or $4 something, I will quit the trade with any whatever profit. But now it's not triggered. So that means this is especially I like this pattern, liquidity speed to the order block. So I believe it will go up. So I'll hold the trade and I will not quit with some minor, with currently minor profit. I, I'm pretty confident it will continue to go up. Mhm. Let's see. This is the first mini. Maybe I will set the all day high. Something here. So for ES, it's still not engulfed the previous bearish candle. See here. And this is the all-day high. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Three resistance level actually. Or maybe two. This is the same resistance level. And this is the second resistance level. After it breaks these two, then hopefully it can arrive to here. That's for ES. What about NQ? 1, this layer, and 2, this layer, and this is 3. Well, 3. Let's see. This looks like a flag. If we look at from bigger time frame, yeah, flag and going up, flag and going up, something like this. So I will set at the all-day high as a take profit goal. It's too early to talk about take profit. We need to see breakout the first resistance level, like going close above this line. 890. Oh, it requires a huge candle. Long way to go. One more minute. We'll see. NQ is already engulfed the previous bearish candle, but for ES, it's a little bit reluctant. Come on, this is a flag break. Retest back to order block. Everything is so textbook-like style. Then you don't go up. What? I just enter into the trade too early. I need to wait until I see this, and probably I will enter into the trade here. But um, but if I enter at this time, it's way better than I enter at this time. So that all this both double bottom scares me a lot. Then I need to prepare my rescue order. And even at this time, as long as it does not break, the first does not break, the first resistance level, they are not there to revoke my rescue order, because anytime it's possible it drop down sharply in one candle. Then I need to go into the rescue order, rescue mode, survival mode. Not easy. It's still sideways at this time. See, ES gets rejected by ENA 21. But somebody at ENA 9 just support it, push it up. It's like something like this. Get this two rejected. So before it stretch to the upside, maybe it will liquidity sweep another time. I don't know. Maybe it's pretty scared. Maybe it triggered my rescue order. So I just prepare my rescue order here. Before that, maybe flash and trigger. Oh yes, yes, just break ENA 21. If it close above the first resistance, I'll probably revoke my rescue order and then set a stop loss somewhere. And trading, once it consolidates somewhere and move to and break the consolidation and move to the up lower side of the consolidation. So I'll trade my stop loss in this way. Make sure eventually it arrive arrive at this all-day high, previous all-day high. Let's see, one more minute. At this time, it does not close above the first resistance. This is the battlefield. You need to close above this line, 980, to be safe anytime. Otherwise, anytime you will retest back. So just some mental toughness, just some patience. Wait until you reach our threshold so that I can revoke this and then set up stop loss. Actually, if it arrives here, I'll probably set up the stop loss to be even. At least I need to make some money. More or less, even $10 is better. It is better than nothing. Look at yes, it has not break out the previous resistance, but NQ has already break out. See, it was once arriving here, but now it gets rejected and try it again. Yeah, even at this time, you can retest to my entry price anytime. So I'm not gonna set stop trading stop loss because I want the ENA line surpass my um entry price for quite some distance. Then I'm feeling safe. Oh, it gets rejected. Yeah, some resistance there, some seller defense. And anytime you will retest to ENA line, the ENA line. So keep holding. This is not obvious breakout, so this support level, let's see how effective is this support level. Is support, something, and now it resists. Now once it break, close above this one and see how effective is this one. Mm-hmm. It looks like this is just a flag for ES flag, and sideways on this flag and gradually going up. It's not like going straight up like this candle, but this candle is obviously not healthy. So a sharp retest gets back, which is reasonable. Oh, I don't like this liquidity speed. If it gets rejected like this, then the tower will be more stronger, will be way more stronger. Some rejections like this. So some sellers are defending here. This is a battlefield. Let's see. From ES, it shows some support at this level. Here and A line performs the defense. Good, good, good. 4 more minutes. Let's see. Mm. Transition pattern requires the most patience because it's gonna be sideways. Sellers and buyers are switch, uh, fighting for the control, and so it behaves like very sideways. Sometimes sellers dominate, sometimes buyers dominate. Hmm. Okay, engulf. 4 more minutes. Uh-oh. If look at 3 minutes, it's something like this. Gets rejected. Keep going up. And this time it's very dangerous to set the stop loss here, but the entry is fine. entering here makes sense. It's just too early. I actually enter here and grab to here. I enter here. But I mean, eventually I will enter here. Even I look at this, I experience this and this and this. Something I don't think I will set a limit order long here because when you arrive something like this, nobody gonna think, okay, or maybe I would, but this because this one shows some support and some previous upper side of the previous sideway. So after this break, then I will probably propose a retest to somewhere here. If I look at 3 minutes to put order, maybe next time 5 minute break and switch to 3 minutes, select somewhere to set the stop loss, which is even which is better than look at 5 minutes and set the ENA 21. Mm. Okay, 1 more minute. Now you already engulfed the previous bearish candle, but for ES, it's still in the range. The next candle gonna be a bearish candle, I guess. Oh, you have a more retest. God, and you fail to create a higher high. That's not a good sign. Mm. Mm-hmm. You're gonna retest. Wait a minute, because ENA 9 is trying to cross the ENA 21, so this might not be the reverse. This might not be the retest rather than a reverse something goes down because every time it ENA 9 cross ENA 21, that means the trend is almost coming to the end. The trend, the uptrend is something like this. Now it cross. So maybe ENA 9 goes down. God. So that means it's still sideways around here. Around here. Let's see. Maybe he gonna retest to somewhere around here, which is this is the pole level and align this trend line. So I'm not surprised if he retest to here. I will stick to my rescue order to be here. CES. Okay, arriving at the support level. Retest. It looks like some support here. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, this candle. Yes. 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 back. Support is effective. Mm. Oh, what's going on? Suddenly, a strong downside. The big players start to move. Should I move my limit order to here, my rescue order to here? Okay, support level. Let's see. Mm. Oops. A42. A42. Maybe I need to be this 10, need to be more conservative. What's going on with this sudden? And you retest to trend line. Okay, you retest to trend line. Now you got it. And yes, reach this support level. All day low. Is this all day low? Yes, it's all day low. So yes, reach this all day low support level while NQ reach the trend line. So we'll see. Huh. From ES, it looks like, yeah, from ES, it looks like stretch, consolidation, and stretch, and consolidation, and stretch. And we are in a stretch circle to the downside, and I'm going long at almost the top. That's not good. So ES is already break the all day low. NQ is still in the range. I'm not sure about next step, but NQ is in retest. So far, we can still treat it as a retest. It retests to trend line. It retests to order block, and it gets rejected. Yes, still a very solid downward momentum. I'm pretty intimidated. I'm pretty pressured by this huge candle. Okay, let's see the new candle. Looks like ES is trying to attack and trying to close above this all day low. Let's see if buyers step in and defend this support level. NQ is trying to attack again. Oh, if I set my rescue order here, then when you retest to here, I can be out. I can get out of the trade. Let's see. It looks like buyer defense is still effective. Dangerous. This is the proven support that only get challenged once. So probably like at the second time, there are still some power remain here that bounce it back. That's my last survival window. Oh yes, show some green. Yeah, I like the green. So you retest. It's also retest to the trend line. Or to where the trend line aggregate. Oh, so this is like a liquidity swing, right? So long and stay less than 5 minutes. But no, let's see where this candle close. If we cannot engulf the previous bearish candle, then it's still downtrend. Let's see, 3 more minutes. Yes, go, go, keep going. Oh, this is a very difficult trade. I hold the position for years. I just enter into a trade too early. See, is one, two, three, four retest to the previous upper bound of sideways after this consolidate after this strong breakout. Then it has one, two, three, four retests. So I don't need to be so hurry. Sometimes it's just that you just go straight without any retest. Or this is the minor retest. Only within 5 minutes you finish the retest and going straight up. Sometimes it is something like this. So whenever I realize something like this, maybe here, but here I say, okay, this is the retest. This easily convinced me, okay, this is the retest. It's gonna going up, going up. So I would not like something. I would not like, hey, 100 something bucks, then I take profit and leave the trade. No. But here I will see. Once they arrive here, I will set a trading stop loss because my position is big enough, and this time I cannot afford any sideway something. Oh, 1 more minute. NQ has already engulfed the previous bearish candle, which is a good sign, and trying to challenge ENA 21. Yes. Um, okay, let's see this candle. But NQ is engulfing. Good. Keep going. Yes, keep going. Oh no, get rejected by ENA 9. And NQ looks like getting rejected by ENA 21. Hmm. So this is the transition. Buyer seller transition is still this overall is the sideways. So when it arrives here, I'll probably set a stop loss somewhere here. Oh, oh, oh. Buyer, buyer step in, take control of the market. And NQ break out the ENA 21. And yes, trying. Mm-hmm. So eventually we'll retest to trend line. I'm just not sure when is this time or this time. You can sideways and liquidity sweep more, but with this liquidity sweep, I believe this bounce back is very strong. At least I'm expecting somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. I will see if it gets rejected again here, then I'll probably take profit like $40 or $50 and leave. Oh, I just finished talking. You get rejected by this candle alone. You don't even show out a very strong candle like this one. God. Let's see if NQ can close above ENA 21. Sellers are still very strong. Oh, long rejection line. That's not good. That's not a good sign. Come on, we just engulf. Buyers should control the market. But in this way, it's still sideways along this line. Let me find the trend line. Trend channel. Uh-huh. Trend channel. You don't even give me what's going on. Why this is so difficult to use? Come on. Trading itself is difficult. Don't make my life difficult by setting out this weird tool. No. So here it looks like this is like okay. This feels like this is a sideway area. And long entry is in the middle. Ridiculous. But ES already shows some engulfing. It's trying to close above ENA 21. Come on. If ES catches up, then NQ should follow. ES already ES shows downward intention all day. Okay, look at this candle. One more candle. Okay, still pushing up. So this candle is just a consolidation. Trying to push on, get rejected, and consolidate a little bit. And this one is all going up, hopefully. Let's see ES. This support level is still effective. 970 is still effective. Okay, yes. Create a higher high, then confirm the uptrend. Okay, yes. Trying to close above this previous high. We have 4 more minutes. I'll see how you behave. Keep going. Retest 3 times, 4 times. Now eventually you liquidity, you speed all liquidity, and now it should go up. At least I'm expecting somewhere here. Somewhere here. Or maybe here. Not greedy, just here. Let's see if you can close above the sideway. But ES has already break out. Yes, I should trade ES today because the chart pattern is more standard, the character is more clear. Aligns like order block and this support. I can set limit order at support level. This is like it does not like a peak point, something like this. Yeah, the peak point is not that big comparing. Yeah, this one is not that volatile. While for NQ, it's something like this is intimidating. Mm, intimidating. Let's see. Okay, get rejected again at this level. Let's see. You have 1 more minute. See how you behave like this channel. Let's see. Yes, just jump a little bit, and it seems like it keeps moving up. NQ does not jump. NQ just oh, it falls a little bit lower than the previous candle close, but keeps going up. That's the common trend. Let's see. So in this way, close about here, then I'll set a trading stop loss. I'll see where this candle close is 1040. Oh God. It looks like I trade almost 1 hour to experience this sideway. If you force back, will you force back? See if we can close above this resistance, confirm the trade of character. And if this is a double top, double bottom, then this is the trend line. Cross the trend line to make sure it's uptrend, confirm. Okay, yes, good. Okay, NQ does not look good, but I think you're gonna follow. So I just look at yes, okay, surpass, surpass. 977, just close above 977. Cannot, still get rejected. Okay, still get rejected. Continue sideways, I'll quit. If you continue sideways, I will quit. CES. ENA line shows a trend to coming close, so trying to cross ENA 21. Hmm. ENA line now performs defense. So some retest, and we'll see. This looks still look like a uptrend. Okay, one more candle. Let's see this one. Okay, going up. So this is a retest. Bear with the retest. I hope it does not continue sideways. At least for this time, this is a retest and not engulf this one and resume upward. But if this candle continue to the downside, then probably I need to quit with some micro profit. CES. Oh yes, is engulfing. Retest to ENA 9. Gas defending. Pushback. Hmm. Now it becomes like triple top and double bottom. So obviously this is not going anywhere. This is sideways. If it does not break out this time, then I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna okay. It gets rejected by ENA line. It seems so. Buyers gradually just take some time. Gradually take control. Two more minutes. ES is already engulfed. See if it can close. We may engulf. Oh, NQ also engulfed the previous bearish candle. Mm. Come on, break the neckline. Close above the resistance. Close above the resistance. Cross the neckline. Okay. Double. So this is the neckline. Close above here. Shoot. Shoot. This is double bottom. This is the complete setup of double bottom. Keep going. Don't fall back. If you close about here, like 980, then you finish the double bottom. Finish the double bottom. Yeah, allow double. And confirm the uptrend breakout to the upside. Uh, sell. I'm gonna apply. So we don't need this, but we need this trading stop. I'm gonna perform very conservative trading stop. If you fall back, I'm gonna quit. I think you're gonna, with this switch, you're gonna reach out to here. Oh, yes, want to retest. Okay, retest to somewhere here. The NQ shows very strong upward momentum. Yes, still want to go down. Oh, healthy retest, healthy consolidation, huh? They already closed above here. So this is double bottom complete. Okay, NQ keeps going up. Great. Yes, keeps going up. Great. This is my take profit. I think it's time to talk about take profit. Finally, consolidate so long and just in one chain, just arrive here. That's reasonable, right? Let me see. So this is like stretch, consolidate, stretch, consolidate. So I'm expecting some consolidation or slowdown here. Oh, it reaches the second level resistance. So yeah, there should be some consolidation here. Some resistance here. No, I will not feeling fear. I will not be surprised. So, and next level will be here, consolidate a little bit. As long as the buying momentum is strong enough, then it can break all this resistance and eventually arrive here, which is only the rejected ones. So there could be some power remain here. Okay, let me see if you can close above this line. 980. Oh, trying to break. Let me see. Yes. Yes, already retest the previous resistance. See here, aligned here. Okay, one more candle. See if you can something. So small candle. Next is also small candle allow this resistance level. Oops, oops. What's going on? Some resistance is still effective. Okay. NQ shows very strong upward intention. Great. Good thing I go long with NQ rather than ES. Because ES is show intention to go down. So even in this uptrend, you just retest, 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 something, something. Go. Whew. Mm. So it's consolidation, allow this resistance level a little bit far away from ENA line, but if it rise, the ENA line will catch up, hopefully. So we'll set the stop loss a little bit above ENA line, expecting that it closes up higher and ENA line catches up. That will be good. Mm-hmm. Some resistance, some back and forth. Okay, 3 more minutes, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Let's see if this candle ends up to create a higher high. And for NQ, I'm expecting to close above this resistance, or maybe here or here. This is the resistance level. If you can close above here, that confirms that, okay, you break out the resistance and keep going up. Then I can further move my trading stop loss. Great. Okay, nice consolidation. 1 more minute. Yes, still trying to retest. Oh my God. Okay. Create a higher high. That's great. Eventually get back to stretch mode. Consolidate, consolidate with two small candle and two or three consolidation and get me a one stretch wing stretch something. But what about ES? Oh, ES still stuck at this resistance level. Hmm. Somebody is here defending. Okay, new candle. This time I can move. It'll be something like this. Keep going. CES. It does not create a higher high, but it creates a higher low. Uh, Yeah, some consolidation, some resistance, so it may retest somewhere. Oh, 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 oh. I need to trade my stop loss a little bit tighter. No. CES already engulfed. That's not good. He's trying to. He's trying to retest the ENA line. Kidding me. Mm-hmm. Got rejected. So this is a retest. Some seller defense available here and see how far it goes. And buyer just push. Oh, allow here becomes new defense. No, I'm not sure because this is not obvious breakout, so it's still in the resistance area. If I get kicked out, I get kicked out. Oh, maybe I get kicked out. Okay, look at yes. I like this long rejection. I like this rejection. That means at this level, resistance level, the bias still very strong, push up. So retest is M. Okay, at least for years, that's the truth, and create a higher high, break out the resistance level, close above this line to confirm the uptrend. I almost get kicked out. Oh good God. Almost, almost. So always leave some buffer. Don't just tightly align the bottom line of the candle, like two candles. Close above this line to confirm that you conquer this resistance level. No. I'll see. 980. Two more minutes. Oh, one more minute. Okay, high, high. Keep going. Keep going. For now, it has already engulfed, but it has not conquered the resistance level. And NQ is trying. Okay. At this time, I'm not there to move my trading stop loss because it will probably like have another deep retest like this. But ENA 9 has already surpassed my trading stop loss. That's good. That's a good sign. And see, up to here is a retest. Even to here, like two candles, but this candle is too long. Get to here. So I would like two more candles finish and then move underneath the lowest point of the most recent two candle. Or maybe follow the ENA 9. Let's see, but ES has already conquered this resistance level. Let's see this candle, some resistance here. NQ has not fully like surpassed. Oh yes, yes, this is a retest. Even here is a retest. Okay, create high. Once you arrive here, I will move it allow here. Move my trading stop loss allow here. But let's wait for the completion of this candle. 3 more minutes. This couple, this 1, 2, 3, 4 is like consolidation. It's like a lot of retest, deep retest, something. So this is very healthy, but it scared me. It almost kicked me out for this deep retest. But this is healthy. So with this healthy growing, then you can go longer. If it's something like this is not healthy. Something like this is not healthy. But even for this unhealthy, it goes so long. Oh, that is a consolidation here. Yeah, this is not healthy. So this is pretty healthy, 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, on the other way, this is the trading volume is small, so that could be why. Um, that could be the reason. See if we close above this line, or maybe close above this line. Whenever it close above this line, then is the time that we can expect here. This is another. Some retest. Let's see ES. Yeah, trade NQ using ES chart. Let's look at 3 minutes. Any characteristics? Not yet. So if it goes alongside here, then this is a consolidation. Then maybe I can move around here. As long as it creates a higher high, then I'll move my trailing stop loss here. Oops, one new candle. And this is star, nice consolidation, and this surpass. Yeah, everything aligns textbook. I'll see here. Go. Then I can move underneath this consolidation, maybe. Where is he? 87. Let's wait until it's a pass. It close at a higher high. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it gets back. If this becomes bull, bearish candle, then probably I need to quit. This star means potential reversal. If it's not, if it's not going up, then it's probably like green. Oh no. You have 4 more minutes to prove yourself. If you get back, I probably need to quit. This is a consolidation. Um, NK is trying to go up. Oh, 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 I guess this is the end of the journey. Let's see. Will it retest like yearly 9? Oh, you retest to previous resistance here. That's fine. And get rejected. But if not, probably I need to quit. It's the end of the journey. Time to say goodbye. Yeah, if this close as a bearish candle, that means this is pretty much like a reverse setup. So I will see next candle. It retest to previous resistance. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Another deep retest. No deep retest can reach here unless it's a reversal. If it triggers my point, my stop loss, then it's potentially a reversal, then okay to quit. Allow here. Otherwise, at least it should arrive here somewhere. Let me see. Almost kicked me out. What about ES? Okay, ES just retest to previous, the lower bar previous sideway. Okay, get back. Continue down. Then I will trigger my stop loss and it's potentially a reversal. I will continue up. That means this is a retest. Mm, Oh, 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 oh. Things not correct. So, so this is potential reversal. Didn't take profit here when it shows a stop because I think this is just a consolidation until I get triggered, something like this. And something, something, something. Okay. Mm-hmm. At 3 minutes, I put it here. Hopefully, it will arrive here and this is a deeper retest. It retest to ENA 21. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, I already show green. Green. Yeah, the real resistance is here. Oh, so the retest is only once and this is engulfing. What about ES? ES is already, but it does not close underneath here. Hmm. Why? So where is it? Okay, this is like retest to somewhere here and continue down. This is like retest to the previous support, becomes new resistance, continue down. This is like continue down. Okay. Wait until it goes up. A9, A9, A. Okay, one more candle. VLC. This is the 3 minute. It shows two sequential like bearish candle, but In 5 minutes, yes, it shows a green candle. So the retest is begin. It shows that this is the retest of this uptrend. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like, but today is a sideways market. Sideways market. Something, something. Let me see. Even here. And unit line cross. Sideways market then. This shows some. Okay. Back test to unit line. See how far you're gonna retest and challenge something. And if you don't get me on board, I'm fine. Because this looks like it gets rejected at previous resistance. And this is a support resistance. So this is a critical level. If we get rejected here, then probably it continue to going up. So this is my rescue plan. But if it falls down, then okay, I'll wait for you to get back to here. You don't get me on board and keeps falling down. That's totally fine. Never rush. Uh-oh, trying to cross the trend line. Oh, consolidation. Let's see if you wanna retest one more time, or retest even more before you stretch to the downside. You're gonna retest something for 5 minutes. It looks like it's consolidate around here. This is a critical price level in this sideway. This sideway. Hmm. Yes, it's breakout. Need to wait. This is a critical price level. I'm not sure what will happen. See, you're gonna check if I go short here because ENA 21 seems still defending. So my entry is very conservative and even more conservative. And here I need to think of a survival mode. But yes, it's already breakout like ENA 21. Mm-hmm. Okay, ES and NQ are on the same page, and it looks like going down. So I'm not gonna go do a like short because when you get back here, maybe it's finished retesting. So far, it's still retesting. Overall, this is uptrend, break and up. So so it's a little bit intimidating to go long here. I need to wait for more confirmation. Let me grab some water. We'll see the next 5 minutes. Oh ho, we see some good news. So so this seems like to be some retest. This seems to be some retest. Mm. We're gonna continue up somewhere around here. Oops, I don't like this. So engulf this one to confirm this uptrend. So I just see this is a critical price level that gets validated multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it shows the uptrend or resistance here, that means this is just a retest and this is the ending of the retest. but it could be ending here. It could be ending here. I don't know. So maybe move down here because this is like from here to here. This is like around 0.6. Yeah, 0.6. So probably if it gets rejected, that means this green bullish. But for ES, it already shows engulfing. Oh my God. ES already shows engulfing. Let me see how we get rejected. God, ES is fooling me again. ES shows engulfing going upward. And this is the end of the retest. Oh, fool me. Yeah, let me jump check mine. Oh, good thing you don't fool me. Huh. ES go. NQ go. ES is already shows very obvious break this. So that means bias resume control. Oh damn. Bias resume control at this critical price level rejection. Something goes up. And NQ should show something similar. Now it's too early to talk about take profit. I need to wait a couple more 5 minute candle. 5 minute candle because ES already engulfed, but NQ shows gets rejected. One more minute. I need to see NQ also shows engulfing. Uh-oh. 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 Maybe I need to prepare the rescue limit order. Oh, yes. Fool me again. See this candle. If this go downward and covering, then maybe it's going downtrend. Continue downtrend. I get fooled by this. I get fooled by this one. Oh, it looks going up. Keeps going up. That's great. So if this one either is sideways, get rejected here, continue sideways a little bit, or it increase a higher high, which is targeting here. If it reaches here, then NQ is expected to be here. Yeah, this range is about the same as this range. This range about the same as this range. down. 6. I'm not gonna increase position unless I have to, which is the rescue order. God damn, why you just get rejected? Get rejected. What's the trade? And make profit. Just now. Done. Okay, maybe $200 as the goal. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, almost reached the top of the reached the previous high, but NQ is still reluctant going up. What's wrong? NQ want to go down? Hmm. Wait for the completion of this candle. Mm-hmm. NQ really wants to go down. That's not good. But ES, what about ES? ES still showing an uptrend, while NQ shows parallel sideways and trying to create a lower low. God damn. There is some divergence here, but it's confusing. That equals a higher high. If it creates a lower low, then we are in the survival mode. So the first step will be somewhere here. We'll see. This is the previous. Yeah, if we retest to here, retest is ending here, that's reasonable. So many support, so many resistance, and support. And for ES, yeah, it does not stun too much. It's trying to go up. Where? Where? It feels like this is like a trend channel and see how it reacts. While for NQ is more dramatic direction. Trend channel here. Go. Yeah, we'll see. Yes, it's trying to break out of the channel. That's a good sign, but not yet. So NK is still in the channel. So in this way, downside. Yeah, the plan is set the limit order at the downside. So you're gonna sideway in this channel, and when you back to the bow, upper bow, then we quit. Yeah, buy. Need to buy 10. Oh, this is too big. Come on, this size is too big. If this gets triggered, don't trigger this one. Maybe here. A65, A65. Okay, this is the trend channel. When you arrive here, get fooled by this one. I see ES has something engulfing and NQ still in the rage, so I just go along with NQ. uh, so now we are in rescue mode. As long as it triggers our rescue order, then we are in survival mode. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, uh maybe I should set the maybe order somewhere here. For years, it looks like the buyer's defense is very firm, solid. But I cannot increase position this time because the last position gonna be my rescue. And I think maybe I should set my rescue service somewhere here, but I will see. What about yes? Okay, stop. And if this candle revert back, then this is a reversal. This is a real reversal. Yes, still shows bearish. God, Jesus. Let me see. Oh, this star ends up to be a consolidation. It continued to go down. Okay, so that's not the real. So that means the real resistance could be from here, could be here. Yes, especially yes, it's not showing a close. So I probably need to set up. Yeah. Let me see if this is the reverse. If you trigger here, then wait for a retest to somewhere here, then I'll quit. But it looks like the retest is ending here. Hmm. Is that true? Oh, 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 oh. What's going on? NQ, you crazy? But ES has not shown so much momentum. See? I'm not sure what ES is going. ES still want to go down. But still prove to be a strong support in ENA 21. But for NQ, strong momentum to the upside. We'll see. Get reject back and continue sideways here. This is sideways area. Yes, still shows downward, but it does not engulf the previous momentum candle. But NQ shows a reversal. This is like a reversal, and this is the reversal. It will go up at least here, and we'll see. Okay, one more minute. Close about this one. In engulf this one totally. And confirm the reversal. And CES. NQ is showing a strong momentum to the upside, but ES shows weird. What's going on? Yes. That's not good. ES still has not break the trend channel, but NQ already break. If I'm not in the trade, then probably I will go long with ES because ES should follow. See, it does not make sense. Then NQ and ES has huge divergence. See, NQ has already obvious breakout. Well, what's ES is doing? Oh, 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 rejected. You know what? After the ending of this candle, then and the ending of next candle, then maybe I can set a trading stop loss here. We'll wait for the completion and wait for the ENA line adjusted. Probably I will set the trading stop loss somewhere here. I said I get kicked out somewhere here. And I rebuild my position around here. That's fair. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yes, still want to go down. Kidding me? You kidding me? That does not look good. Does not look good. Yes. If yes gets a breakout to the upside and then confirms the overall uptrend, then I'll relax a little bit more. Buyers are very aggressive, very strong to the upside for NQ. Yes, God, you just cannot break the trend line. Just sideways along the trend line. What's wrong with yes? I'm feeling very intimidating. Sell. It's gonna be my stop loss, trading stop loss. Yeah, it's going up. No question asking. So yes, with a couple of like sideways along channel, this is about to break. Well, this is already break. This is about to break. So it is lagging like 10 to 15 minutes, but it should break out as well. Otherwise, if this break out to the downside, because this is still in the range, if this break out to the downside, and that's not good, that NK will dramatically reverse, then I set up this stop loss just in case it reverse. So the winning trade becomes losing. Oh yes, still yes, start to break to the upside. Keep going. Oh my god. Oh, finally. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay. It's it's late for 15 minutes, but eventually it break out to the upside. Confirm. Yes, just want to break out. So the breakout, the upside, the uptrend is just beginning. When ES reaches here, then chances are that NQ will reach here. Yeah, maybe I can be more conservative. Somewhere here. Yeah, that's a realistic goal. And ES trying to break up. Or you get rejected. What about ES? ES is still consolidating. Okay, finally. Let's see the reaction. Oh, that's not look good. The resistance is still strong, so maybe we're gonna switch to sideways if we cannot break this previous um seller defense, then I'm gonna get kicked out here. But don't conclude too much, too early. We'll see. Yes, come on. Resistance are right there, but once buyers get a complete triumph over this huge resistance, the breakout gonna be crazy. No, if buyers cannot get triumph, then it can be a reversal anytime. So maybe I just need to take profit at 200 bucks. Oh, 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 oh. Revert it back. So the resistance is still valid. See? It's still valid. This is like, oh my God, this is like Chiang Cham. This is like Chiang I'm not sure where it break out. See, it is side to the upside, to the downside. Oh, 400 bucks I should take profit, but who knows? I saw it at least arrive here. Nobody knows. And I even saw, okay, when ES arrive here, then probably you will arrive here. ES is like sideways, and NQ is like, okay, NQ is not, it will revise NQ. Yeah, this is the new channel. Oh no, oh no, sudden. Probably I need to quit. Uh, buy. As long as you retest to here, I just need to quit. The breakout eventually happened. I'll say yes. You should get rejected here and get rejected here. Then I need to quit. Breakout. Change channel breakout. Wait for the compression. This is like, this looks like liquidity sweep at this time. And yes, could potentially become like parallel sideways. Overall is sideways. I don't see any champs, so it's just maybe I need to set this a little bit conservative. It breaks out to the upside and it fall back quickly. This is like liquidity sweep and it continue to go down if this ends up to be a liquidity sweep. So that's why I'm not there to go long. And on NQ it shows so solid pattern on 5-minute chart. See this one. Okay, eventually this is uh, Apex 41. Okay, $200. Hmm. Should make the $200. Uh, mhm. This feels like wait a minute. This feels like no, I cannot conclude anything. it becomes a parallel sideways. And this one becomes something like this. Uh, so go long at the bottom, go short at the upper. So good thing I don't go short here. Otherwise I get trapped. Let me see 3 minute chart. If there's any okay consolidation, huge momentum, but our momentum becomes increasingly small. So keep going down and trigger this and retest to here. I'll quit. Mm-hmm. Oh, 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 oh. For this line, the lower bound is here. Oh, it keeps going down. Will you create a lower low? Something like here. Align the bottom of this. Down two. Hmm. It seems like breakout. And yes, break out the trend line, break out something, retest, and keep going up. Mm-hmm. Yes, shows some upside, but NQ still shows downside. Some distortion. And whenever this happens, I'm not sure who to trust. Um, Maybe I should readjust this one. Yeah, this seems correct. So yes, just sideways on the top half if we perceive the chart this way. And yeah. Or it's like triangle sideways. Okay. It, it triggers and keep going down. And we'll see, we'll set a stop loss. What about this line? It triggers the lower bound of the trend channel and see if it gets back. This is like 7. Okay, this is a lower bound the trend channel, and we'll see. If we continue the sideways, then probably it will bounce to here. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay, the lower bound defense is valid. So, and the momentum, the downward momentum becomes decreasing. It's decreasing. And yes, shows some support going up, but it's still in this sideways channel. No breakout. I don't expect a breakout. I just say, hey, ES is sideways and NQ is sideways. But yes, currently it shows upward. Twelve 14. Oh, still want to go down. Hey, ENA is here. You don't want to retest? ES is going up. Oh no. Conclude too early. Hmm. Oh, Salinger. Okay, 45 minutes. So this probably is my last trade. 12:45, I have another meeting. Let's see. 30 minutes, 6 candle arrive here. Give me 200 and I'm done for today. Okay, great. What's the last trade making? 41. Oh, oh, damn. $5 and $100. Oh, that's why. This is getting triggered. This and this, 522, and don't take profit. And this is like 200 and don't take profit. Overall loss 300. And this is like it can fall so much. And just in the survival mode because I get fooled by the ES sudden hour momentum candle. So it's like okay in survival mode. uh, go. But this does not look right. This looks like it's consolidate and gonna stretch. But Trend line is still defending. Oh my God. And yes, it's still like sideways, no breakout. Trend line is still defending. This is like, okay, sideways, triangle sideways, something. Maybe I should set on the rescue somewhere here. But this looks like, okay, consolidate and stretch. Stretch, consolidate, stretch. If it's stretch, then probably it's getting here. Yeah, it's getting here. Oh, no. Look at yes. Yes, trying to break out to the downside. It creates a lower low, lower low, lower low, but it never stretch, and this looks like something healthy. You can perceive this chart as, okay, the downward momentum keeps decreasing. The downward momentum keeps like becoming smaller and smaller. But to me, it's like consolidation. The rubber band is like stretch, consolidate, stretch, consolidate. Yeah, it starts to stretch. So I need to build my last defense. And ES shows that they want to, ES is showing that they want to break up to the downside. What's going on? It's still not close underneath the trend line and shows some upward momentum. That's ridiculous because ES has already, oh, if we put it this way, okay, it's not yet. So made the trend line more conservative. See this candle, if we close underneath, mm-hmm. Yes, bounce back, continue trend line. Oh, what about NQ? Now the trend line still, it seems is still performing. I'm not sure. This is very, to go long at the bottom line is very intimidating. I just assume the trend line that the sideway gonna continue. Is only one, two, and what about three? You only want to and go straight down. That's not like you, Marky. Two more minutes. Oops. What happened? What happened? Somebody get in. So the trend line is still defense. But bad news is like for ES, the trend line is narrowing down. But for NQ, this is like sideways trend line. Going to the upside, yes. Breakout. If this one engulf the candle does not look good because it's pretty much like a early test to ENA9 where ENA9 has a cross and showing a downtrend. So it cross, it retest ENA9, get rejected. Oh no. But if this sideway continues, then you will cross to a ENA21 above. Okay, around here, almost 100. Not gonna greedy at this time. Go. I almost want to prepare like rescue order. Oh, it get rejected by ENA9. But yes, it get rejected by trend line. That's not a good sign. So ES cannot break the trend line. Hmm. Can you break? Oh, this is 3 minute chart. So let's look at 5 minute chart. And we enter here. That looks good. That means that this is engulfing. And we enter at the retest, at the bottom of the retest, and keeps going up. But for yes, it gets rejected by the trend line. But NQ gets rejected by ENA9. Hmm. Okay. It seems ES wants to break out the trend line. Oh. Still now the ENA9 still performs some defense. So it's a sideway and it looks like the retailing trader control the market. The retailing trader just hey retest the ENA9 and let's go short. That makes sense. Mm-hmm. It feels like yes has an intention to go up because it aggregate to the top half of the channel. But NQ has an intention to go down because it aggregate at the bottom half of the channel. Mm. Oh, you don't want to you don't want to retest a little bit? Something around here. So we are not gonna increase position. And it's very intimidating, very pressure under this market. It almost build a like reverse cap. Something if we push something like this, then probably you will continue to go down. But this is very pressure. Yeah, it get push back, continue sideways. Wait for if ES breakout the trend line, then I'm more confident to add position. But now it's still in the range. It does not indicate anything, any direction for the future. This is sideways, it aggregate to the top, but still it does not break out. As long as it does not break out, it does not mean anything. See, this trend line is still valid, so we'll see. It should have some result shortly. Close above this line. Okay, yes. Look at yes. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, it got rejected. Maybe buy here and see if we retest in the fresh and get us on ball. Oh, oh. It does not look correct. Continue sideways. Yeah, the assumption, the hypothesis is not funny. I just assume the sideways gonna continue, but sideways, double bottom, and then bump up, bump, and or something. So it's like double bottom. I'm expecting a double bottom and then pump up. But yes, it's already breakout. One more mini. Oh, get rejected. Does not stay outside of the range. Which does not mean anything. It looks like ENA now is defending for NQ. That does not look good. Hmm. If this gets triggered, then I need to prepare the last defense, which should be very conservative. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, shows some our momentum. Finally. Oh. Oh, you never retest here? Yes, shows. Okay, great. This is the up breakout and trend channel flag and continue to the upside. So never use market order. Oops. Yes, something goes up. Oh, you get rejected. Then we'll see. We'll start to prepare rescue. This looks like ENA is still defending. Oh my god. It is still defending. Close above here. Oh no, gets rejected. Hmm. Double top, and bump up. Now, oh, Okay, yes, it's already breakout. Let's see. NQ. Okay, NQ shows upward as well. See if we can exceed close above here. Exceeds ENA 21 because ES has already showed completely uptrend. Oh, this is well 5 minute. Even 5 minute is the same. Even 5 minute. Okay. ES shows a breakout after the triangle consolidation. Come on, NQ. Okay, yes, gets the first resistance here, but NQ gets the resistance here. It's so small. Oh, damn it, it's so small. But this is like, okay, double bottom and then going up. Back test. Oh, resistance is value. Yes, falls back. And NQ still sideways out here. Oh, NQ starts to move. Recharge. CES and ES. And ES outperform this. Okay. Then if we can close above here, then probably the next target will be here. For NQ, then we can expect something here. Oh, we get rejected at this resistance level. This is resistant, previous support, and becomes resistant. This resistance level by its sideways gets rejected and sideways, consolidate, accumulating power, and try to attack again. So we'll see how it behaves around here. But for NQ, yeah, you can think of this as a resistance level, multiple times retest, but this is like sideways. 2 more minutes. Oh oh, oh oh. Got rejected by ENA1, ENA21. And for years, it got rejected by the resistance. How come? You don't want to continue sideways? Something here. it does not look good. This looks like liquidity squeeze. The rejection is so strong, so long. Let's see. ES still shows very strong upward. Okay, attack the second time. If ES can break out and close above this line, then I'm pretty sure NK will follow. But if it does not break out, then any sideways pattern in this range does not make any sense, does not provide any heuristic for the trend in the near future. But it looks like after the consolidation, yes, it's already breaking out. I guess defending. Yen I won, and let's see here, yes, how it behaves. Okay, one more candle. Still some resistance, huh? Oh, I need to leave. I have a meeting. God damn. So probably like I should take profit here. Leave the trade. Can you? Can you retest here? Let me out of the trade. Let's see. Yes. If this is a retest or a reversal. Bong. Oh, a little. This is a retest. Another reversal. I think it gets rejected by this trend line. Yes, it's trying to push up. Yes, it will become green. Will you become green? I need to see. Well, I keep thinking of my meeting. Okay, I already late for 2 minutes, so I cannot stack. I think so much for today. I'm not sure if I can get trigger. Oh, it becomes green. Becomes green, get me some hole. So probably like NK will green. Oh, okay. I get kicked out with some micro profit. Fine. I'm gonna go for my meeting. Thank you very much so much for today.